Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up a Ring bridge that works with Ring smart light bulbs, Ring smart plugs, and Ring lighting devices on the Ring app that also works with Ring doorbells and Ring security systems. So let's get started. The first step is to connect the Ring bridge to the Ring app. So if you haven't done so already, you're going to need to download the Ring app, set up a username and password, and open it up. So we've done that. We created an account on the Ring app, and what we're going to do is go in the upper left hand corner on the menu button here, and we're going to click on set up a device. Now we've got some different options here: doorbells, security cams, mailbox sensors, and what we are setting up is smart lighting. So I'm going to click this one right here. It says, where would you like to set up your Ring product? And if you don't already have a location input, you're going to need to do that now, and I'm going to click continue. In order to get this set up, there is a QR code on the back, so we're going to scan that QR code using the camera on the phone right now. Once the QR code is scanned, this is the next screen that pops up. It says, find a nice spot for your new Ring bridge. Choose an area with strong Wi-Fi, such as the room that holds your router. We've got good Wi-Fi signal where we're going to install this, so I'm going to click continue. It says plug in your bridge and wait for it to power on. So you've got the power adapter that comes with the device. Just plug that in, and you've got a little power port on the front of the device, and then it will power up. We plug the device in, and you can see there's a blue light on here. So I'm going to click bridge is on. Wait for the Ring bridge to enter setup mode. When you see a blue light flashing on your bridge, continue to the next step. We've got a green light right now, so we'll wait till we get that blue. It took about a minute for the Ring bridge to go from a flashing yellow light to a flashing blue light after I plugged it in. So I could just click here, the blue light is flashing. However, if you're having issues with this and it isn't flashing blue, you're going to need to use the setup button over here on the side and put a paper clip in there and then hold that down, and it's going to get it to a blue flashing light. So I'm going to go back here, and it says the blue light is flashing, and I'm just going to move forward with the next step. But if you're having issues, click that little button there with a paper clip or something small that you can get in that hole. It says, when prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. I'm going to click got it. Now we select our Ring device, and it will start connecting. Scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Here we choose our Wi-Fi network. Now we enter our password. The Ring bridge is connecting to our Wi-Fi network. The Ring bridge connected to our Wi-Fi network and was preparing for use. Now it's just updating the firmware. So it takes about 10 minutes. Don't unplug your Ring bridge now, and we'll be back as soon as the 10 minutes is up and the software is updated. It took about 10 minutes for the Ring bridge to update. It says success. Your Ring bridge is now connected. Would you like to set up another Ring smart lighting product? So if you want to set up Ring smart lighting, like the light bulb that we've got here, you're just going to click the top option. Otherwise, you're all set and your Ring bridge is connected, and now you can set up other Ring smart devices like smart plugs, smart lighting, or smart landscape lighting. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up your Ring bridge. If you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below.